The different municipalities and city comprising the province of Sultan Kudarat in Region 12 or SOCCSKSARGEN region. The province of Sultan Kudarat has the municipality of Isulan as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Mindanao Island Group in Region 12 or SOCCSKSARGEN region. It is composed of 1 city, 11 municipalities, and 249 barangays. It was founded on November 22, 1973. The total land area is 5,298.34 kilometers squared or 2,045.70 square miles. Here are the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Sultan Kudarat in Region 12 or SOCCSKSARGEN region. We have the municipality of Bagong Bayan with 19 barangays, Municipality of Columbio with 16 barangays, Municipality of Esperanza with 19 barangays, the Municipality of Isulan, which also serves as the provincial center or provincial capital with 17 barangays, Municipality of Calamansig with 15 barangays, Municipality of Lambayong or Mariano Marcos with 26 barangays, Municipality of Libak with 27 barangays, and the Municipality of Lutayan with 11 barangays. We also have the Municipality of Palimbang with 40 barangays, Municipality of President Quirino with 19 barangays, the Municipality of Senator Ninoy Aquino with 20 barangays, and the City of Tacurong with 20 barangays. And that is all about the different city and municipalities comprising the province of Sultan Kudarat in Region 12 or SOCCSKSARGEN region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.